Philip Arthur Fisher, September 8, 1907. March 11, 2004, was an American stock investor best known as the author of Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits, a guide to investing that has remained in print since it was first published in 1958. Fisher was one of the early proponents of growth investing strategies. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. The stock market is not a casino, but it has been turned into one by people who just want to make money fast. The best investment you can make is in yourself. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. It is not enough to merely study the companies that are already big. Success can be achieved by recognizing the companies that have the potential to become big in the future. The stock market is filled with individuals who know the price of everything, but the value of nothing. If the job has been correctly done when a common stock is purchased, the time to sell it is almost never. The stock market is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes time, discipline, and patience to build wealth through stocks. The ability to focus on companies that have the potential for long-term growth is a key attribute of successful investors. The stock market is not a lottery ticket. It requires careful analysis and due diligence before making investment decisions. Investing in stocks is like owning a piece of a business. Choose wisely and be prepared for the long haul. The real money in investing will have to be made, as most of it has been in the past, not out of buying and selling, but out of owning and holding securities, receiving interest and dividends, and benefiting from their long-term increase in value. There is no good time or bad time to invest. The best time to invest is when you have thoroughly researched and understand the company you are investing in. The stock market is a place of opportunity, but it requires careful consideration and risk management. Investing without research is like playing poker without looking at the cards. Diversification is a protection against ignorance. It makes very little sense for those who know what they're doing. The stock market is a vehicle for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. The real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. Know what you own and know why you own it.